Did you know that alternative investments have seen explosive growth with a projected market size of over $23 trillion by 2026? That's insane. It seems like every day there's a new opportunity popping up promising to be the next Bitcoin or Tesla. But with so many options, how do you separate the hype from the truly game-changing investments? In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of emerging investment trends, and I'm going to share my thoughts on what I believe could be the next big thing. Stick around because you don't want to miss this. The world of investing is constantly evolving. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. Remember when real estate was the golden ticket, or when the dot-com bubble had everyone scrambling for a piece of the internet? Those were huge opportunities, but they came and went. Today, we're seeing a similar shift happening right before our eyes. Technology is advancing at an unprecedented rate. Globalization is connecting markets like never before, and new industries are emerging seemingly overnight. This creates a ton of potential for investors who are willing to adapt and embrace the change, but it also presents a significant challenge. How do you identify the next big thing before it's too late? Now, you might be thinking, Graham, this all sounds great, but isn't it impossible to predict the future? How can anyone truly know what the next big thing will be? It's a question that has puzzled investors, analysts, and entrepreneurs for decades. And you're right, to a certain extent, no one has a crystal ball. The future is inherently uncertain, and predicting it with absolute certainty is beyond our reach. However, that doesn't mean we should throw our hands up in despair, but that doesn't mean we're completely in the dark. There are tools, strategies, and methods that can help us make educated guesses. By analyzing data, observing market trends, and understanding the underlying factors that drive change, we can get a glimpse of what might be on the horizon. Just like how successful real estate investors look for properties in up-and-coming neighborhoods, identifying areas with potential for growth and development, we can apply similar principles to other types of investments. Savvy investors today are looking for trends, patterns, and early indicators that can point them in the right direction. They study market behavior, keep an eye on emerging technologies, and pay attention to shifts in consumer preferences. The problem is, there's so much noise out there. The sheer volume of information can be overwhelming, making it difficult to separate the signal from the noise. It's easy to get lost in the sea of data and miss the critical insights. For every legitimate investment opportunity, there are a dozen scams and pump-and-dump schemes just waiting to take your money. These fraudulent schemes can be incredibly convincing, preying on our fear of missing out and our desire for quick profits. That's why it's more important than ever to do your research, understand the fundamentals, and not get caught up in the hype. Take the time to dig deep, verify sources, and critically evaluate the information you come across. By being diligent and cautious, you can protect yourself from falling victim to scams and make more informed investment decisions. So, let's cut through the noise and take a look at some of the most talked about investment trends right now. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get swept up in the excitement of new technologies and market opportunities. But how do we distinguish between genuine potential and mere hype? Let's dive deeper into some of the most buzzworthy sectors and see what they really have to offer. First up, we have artificial intelligence, or AI. This isn't just a futuristic concept anymore, it's a reality that's transforming industries across the board. From healthcare to finance, AI is being integrated to enhance efficiency and accuracy. Imagine a world where medical diagnoses are faster and more precise, or where financial transactions are more secure and instantaneous. This is a field with massive potential, as AI is already being used to automate tasks, improve decision-making, and even create entirely new industries. Companies are investing heavily in AI research and development, aiming to stay ahead of the curve. The possibilities are endless, from self-driving cars to personalized shopping experiences powered by AI algorithms. Then there's cryptocurrency, which has been on a roller coaster ride over the past few years. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital currencies have captured the public's imagination, promising a decentralized financial future. However, the market's volatility can be both a blessing and a curse for investors. While the volatility can be intimidating, the underlying technology of blockchain has the potential to revolutionize everything from finance to supply chain management. Blockchain offers a transparent, secure way to record transactions, which could eliminate fraud and increase efficiency in various sectors. It's not just about digital currencies. It's about creating a more trustworthy and streamlined system for all kinds of data. We also can't forget about sustainability. As the world grapples with the effects of climate change, the push for renewable energy sources has never been stronger. Solar, wind, and other green technologies are not only good for the planet, but also present lucrative investment opportunities. As the world becomes increasingly aware of climate change, companies that are focused on renewable energy, sustainable practices, and social responsibility are attracting more and more investment. Investors are looking for ways to make a positive impact while also achieving financial returns. This trend is likely to continue as regulations tighten and consumer preferences shift towards more sustainable options. And finally, we have real estate crowdfunding, which is democratizing access to real estate investing and allowing individuals to invest in properties with much lower barriers to entry. This innovative approach is opening up the market to a broader range of investors, enabling them to diversify their portfolios and participate in lucrative real estate deals that were once reserved for the wealthy. By pooling resources, investors can now own a share of high-value properties and benefit from rental income and property appreciation. Chapter Decentralized Finance. Chapter 4. Chapter Decentralized Finance. Chapter 4. Title: Decentralized Finance. Chapter Decentralized Finance. Chapter 4. Chapter 4. The Game Changer. Decentralized Finance. Now, while all of these trends have merit, there's one that I believe has the potential to be truly revolutionary: decentralized finance, or DeFi. DeFi is essentially a movement to rebuild traditional financial systems on the blockchain, cutting out the middlemen and giving individuals more control over their money. This means that instead of relying on banks, brokers, or other financial institutions, people can directly interact with financial services through decentralized platforms. Imagine a world where you could get a loan, earn interest on your savings, or even trade stocks without ever having to deal with a bank. You could do all of this from the comfort of your home, using just your smartphone or computer. No more waiting in long lines, filling out endless paperwork, or paying hefty fees. That's the promise of DeFi. It's about creating a more inclusive financial system where everyone has access to the same opportunities, regardless of their location or background. It's about democratizing finance and giving power back to the people. And while it's still in its early stages, the growth has been absolutely staggering. The DeFi space has seen an influx of innovation, with new projects and platforms being launched almost daily. These platforms offer a wide range of services, from lending and borrowing to trading and investing. In just a few short years, the total value locked in DeFi protocols has exploded from a few million to hundreds of billions of dollars. This rapid growth is a testament to the potential and demand for decentralized financial services. It's clear that people are looking for alternatives to traditional finance, and DeFi is providing just that. This is a clear indication that something big is happening here. The rise of DeFi is not just a trend, it's a fundamental shift in how we think about and interact with money. As more people become aware of and start using these decentralized platforms, we can expect to see even more growth and innovation in this space. The future of finance is decentralized, and it's happening right now. Chapter 5. The future of investing is here. So what does this all mean for you? Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, it's crucial to understand the forces that are shaping the future of finance. The trends we've discussed today, particularly decentralized finance, have the potential to disrupt traditional industries and create incredible opportunities for those who are paying attention. Now, I'm not saying you should go all in on DeFi tomorrow. Like any investment, it's important to do your research, understand the risks, and only invest what you can afford to lose. But by staying informed and keeping an open mind, you'll be well positioned to capitalize on the next big thing in investing. Chapter 6. What do you think? All right, Now it's your turn. What do you think is the next big thing in investing? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm always looking for new ideas and perspectives. And while you're at it, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos on investing, personal finance, and building wealth. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today, so don't wait. Start exploring these emerging investment trends and see how you can position yourself for success in the years to come. Outro, don't get left behind. Look, the world of finance is changing faster than ever before. What worked for our parents or even for us a few years ago might not cut it in the future. That's why it's so important to stay ahead of the curve and be on the lookout for the next big thing. Remember, the biggest risk you can take is not taking any risk at all. So do your research, stay informed, and don't be afraid to explore new opportunities. Because the future of investing is here, and it's waiting for those who are ready to seize it.